Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of NZDCHF. This has made upward trend setup. This was the low of the market. From low, the market went up to this high. After this high, the pair came downward here, then broke up the high and came downward. After this, the pair went again back and broke this level. Now this high level has been broken 3 times. This is, according to my analysis, last retest of the support. Let me put a horizontal line here. Now from here this pair is going upward. From here this went up, came down, went up, retest this level, and now this pair is going upward. Now what are the levels for take profits? This pair has many levels. This is the level, this is the level. Even if someone want to take profit earlier, this is also the level. Now this is all according to your trading plan and strategy. What percent of your account you want to take the profit, or where you want to set up the stop loss. Stop loss is better than this level. Now let me also analyze this on 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this was the low, then somewhere here it was the high, then it came downward, retest this level. The first came at this low, then came at this low, then came at this low. Lows are not being broken into the downward. This is the last retest. I think this is going up from now, and the stop loss is better here. I don't think that it will go now. Now it will come down to break this or even to this. So let me put the long position here. Long position here. This is the, somewhere here you may get the chance of entry in this trade. Stop loss be under this wick. Now if you want to save yourself and you are using small lot, then you can increase the stop up to this, even up to this, but I don't think that this level will be broken. I don't know what will happen, but this is my analysis. According to your strategy, you may set your stop loss. And for take profits, these are the levels for take profits. And after this, we will have to watch this level whether it is broken or not. If it will be broken, then it will come to retest somewhere, and this pair will keep going upward, and this pair is already in upward trend. Let us see on the daily time frame. It is for long time is an upward trend. So now it has come to retest these levels for some reason, and it is now going upward. And the main reason that the Swiss National Bank is to sell or has sold 739 million francs. So this is the reason, and this sell information is now, but the setup, these central banks make their setups earlier than announcement. The price action is a very strong tool that tells us before the announcement. I have also made videos on chef pairs before this, two, and I have analyzed two pairs today, Australian dollar chef and GP chef. And in the previous week I have analyzed USD chef, and before that I had analyzed Euro chef. So this is the last chef pair I think I am analyzing. But if you have any pair that you are interested in, though these most traded pairs I have analyzed, but in any of the pair that is any of the currency that is paired with chef and you want it to analyze it for you, I can do it for you. And please like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment on this my video, and what is your analysis on this pair. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.